The quick rainy day cookie we are making today is a 4-ingredient peanut butter cookie. So what you will need is 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now, the chocolate chips aren't necessary, so you can replace them really with anything you want or not at all. 1 egg and 1 cup of brown sugar. Now don't forget to preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit while you're prepping your ingredients. This recipe only requires 1 bowl and 1 electric mixer. Of course, don't forget the pan and the fork for later. You're going to combine all the ingredients in this bowl and then using the electric mixer, mix it until it's creamy and smooth. Now, for this next step, you're going to take your mixture, roll it into little balls. Now, be warned, this mixture is very sticky because it's almost all peanut butter. You're going to place it onto the pan, and if you can, just take the fork and press it down. Don't be afraid of getting dirty. It's all in day's work. Okay, now your cookie should look a bit like this. A little hard to get the crisscross problem with the chocolate chips, but sure, they'll taste good. And now you just need to put them in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. And here are your beautiful, quick, easy peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.